Hey guys, what's up? Andrew 2054 here, and today I have you episode 4 of Skywars. Okay, so and this is unusual because I usually start in Minercaft lobby, but today I'm just starting in here because I was just checking if it was a good spawn, and if it wasn't, I was just like, yeah, so I'm on top, and this is good. This is the end map. Yeah, I think we haven't actually. No, we haven't played on the end map before, I don't think. Yeah, I've got to check that. Yeah, please subscribe and like, and as always, please put in a comment if you want me to do more videos, more episodes of the Skywars. Yeah, so we just got all this stuff. Let's give you them. Oh yeah. Oh baby, yeah. I'm building today. That's a TNT cannon. Oh yeah. Okay, we're just gonna there. Oh, there. Oh no. Put it there. Put the block there. 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 And yeah. Stewed torn. Just gonna yeah. Like that one. Then we're gonna rest. Then we're gonna stand back. Oh no! No, the ender noob! No! Oh my god, my stupid TNT cannon broke! And it demolished me! Oh, damn it! That was annoying. Okay. Well, I think that was a fun episode. It was good. Otherwise, I didn't win. So, I'm going to have to say goodbye now. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe. It's so much to have your support. So, thank you.